Hey everybody! I'm back again with my son, and we just went through the drive-thru Wendy's. And we got our food. And I can't see you. This is Sonny. Say hi.
Hi.
I got the half Caesar salad. They don't sell side salads anymore. I didn't know that. And I got a baked potato with butter and chives. And I got my own drink.
And bacon jalapeno cheeseburger.
Double. And what else did you get?
My fries, I ate them.
You already ate half this food. I can't tell if I can see you because that thing right there.
It's just a button. I'm getting dirty napkin.
There's clean ones right there in that bag. Kind of dark in here, ain't it?
No. Let me put my...
Oh.
Need more cup holders.
There's two right there. So how's everybody? I know you guys are used to seeing my grandkids on here, but they're with their dad this week. I went and got some.
Yeah.
Dude.
I was gonna say, I owe to the 4 people that watch.
He eats really fast. I still got like all my food.
You didn't start it right away.
Because I was trying to get my food ready. Then when I hear all that crunch noise of the bag and everything.
Yeah, they do. That's what
No,
they're
they
left for.
don't. I should have got more salad dressing. I'm not eating meat right now, so I didn't get no meat in. It's supposed to be, I guess, the grilled Caesar salad.
What about your hamburger right there?
Whatever. You're lying. So I've been out shopping all day because my daughter's baby shower is Saturday, and I had to go and get the food and stuff for it. Today's Thursday.
I'm tired.
You slept all day. Tired from what?
I didn't.
You you work last night?
No. I was up to like 6 though.
Oh, well. That's your fault. I know I sat there for like 30 minutes blowing my horn. I started to leave and give up.
She just knocked on my door. I would have woke up.
I'm not climbing up them stairs to wake you up. I told you I was going to take you today.
I know. I was going to wake up around 1. I had an alarm set for 1.
Apparently your alarm didn't go off, or you kept hitting the snooze button. It's like 5 minutes of nothing so far.
That's what people do all the time. Somebody don't really talk, they're just like, ham? And eat it. Picked it up. People do it on TikTok too. Where they name off everything off their plate and take a bite of each thing. That's it.
Yeah, but who watches those on TikTok?
I don't know. A lot of people. The one guy does it. He
You only
has
get
over...
like 10 seconds on TikTok.
Yeah, but people make a lot of TikTok videos.
What's the sense?
To make short videos. The editing and stuff, you can cut out like the in between, like pointless seconds. I don't know. People have a lot of millions.
We're sitting in the parking lot
millions of TikTokers.
in Wendy's, so sorry for the noise. We're like facing the main road. We also live in a very small town, so it's like...
All you gotta do is
This is our new side salad portion.
All you gotta do is to get popular on YouTube is make a controversial video.
Oh, what?
Controversial? Like a thing that would bring a lot of conflict and people's attention. Like,
Basically, you're saying to make a video with a lot of drama.
or controversial. Like a opinion that nobody would agree with, but then you push it, then it'll bring hundreds of attention to you because people want to argue with you. But
That would be him, because he don't like Trump.
But in the long run, you'd get the support by just getting arguments. You get any type of activity on your channel is good. I don't like Trump. I do like Trump.
You were just talking mad crap about him.
I mean, besides him causing his supporters, you know, he don't say it's his supporters, but they look like him, they talk like him, they sound like his supporters. But no, it's the government. The government don't need puppets to do stuff when they can just do whatever they want. Nobody can stop them. Like martial law. It's gonna happen when Trump leaves office because his supporters can't take a loss. I don't like Biden either. I hate Biden. I'd rather have
family channel. We ain't talking about all that.
I'd rather have a Trump as president than Biden, but
You already done eating?
yeah. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Just kidding. That's why I used to on my videos. That was my outro. Then I put my hand over the camera like that.
If you guys want to follow him, tell them where they can find you.
I don't make YouTube videos anymore. On my old channel, I got blocked.
Well, never mind then.
I mean, I used to
Don't follow
make
him.
gameplay videos of video games, but I don't do that no more either. That one had like about around 100 subscribers, I think. And then my old one had like 240 subscribers. And it's still growing, even though I don't make videos on it. Last time I went at it, it gained like 50 new subscribers. I was like, what the heck?
I still have that on my channel.
My old one?
Yeah, I'm still following
Yeah,
you
it's
on
still on there, just I can't get the email. I don't know the email or password, so there's no way of even getting it back.
You didn't just request it.
I tried that. I had to prove it was mine, but I don't know how. I'm like, I can send you a picture of me. I'm in a video. It's hard to not to prove it to me. If I could get my old channel back, I'd make videos again. But trying to grow a new channel it takes forever. You know, like my hat, it fins up.
Really?
What? It's a vapor. It's water. Like 10 minutes in. How long can you make your videos for?
I don't know. I have no idea.
I think, cause I know if you have only a
People be making 30-minute long videos.
Yeah, but it depends on how many subscribers you got. YouTube will only give you only so much. I remember back in the day, if you don't have like enough subscribers, you're only able to make a 10-minute video.
I'm probably never met them.
No, it's over that.
I'm recording it and then I'm going to upload it to YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Or you can edit it, put in some cool edits. It's
yeah.
We're to support.
This ain't one of them channels. I don't know how to do all that, so.
We get raw footage.
Yep. You look at my channel, you'll see my grandkids.
Of all your variety.
My oldest grandson, he likes making, the last one he made was playing with his toys. He's trying to get YouTube famous.
Yeah. Sorry. Maybe.
No, you're not sorry. You do that crap on purpose.
Bluetooth connected.
Dude, you don't want to punch her in the face.
See that? Car police on him. Child abuse, neglect.
He's almost 30. It's not child abuse.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
27.
That's almost 30.
Man, I need a phone like yours. The lighting is so good.
Can't tell you.
Quality is good.
I know.
I got
It's only like $250.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
No, 200.
No.
They're $199.
No, it was like $250.
Well, they're $199 now. Because when I went in there, not too long ago, they said they're like $199.99. Everything with all that.
We got it when they first came out.
With the screen protector, every case, everything for your phone you need with it, it'd come out to like, she said like $280.
Maybe it was. Because I think me and Dad got ours at the same time. I got my phone case. He got a phone case. It was like $500.
You know, if you ever want good subscribers, I used to make smoking vlogs. Where you just vlog, talk about life while you're like on your smoke break.
That's what we're doing while we're eating.
That's how I gained my 200 subscribers.
200 ain't crap, Sonny.
More than 4?
I got more than 4.
I had 15 to 2,000 views on every video almost. Let me see what my YouTube is. I'll put my plug in my. Oh, I thought I replayed to my phone.
Your sisters are my biggest fan.
Beth?
Yeah, you only got one sister.
Oh, yeah.
Well,
see, I don't know what my
you only got one sister alive.
Go subscribe. I got 10 subscribers.
Rose and everything.
Go subscribe to me. I don't make videos no more, but there it is if you want to subscribe. Absolute Dark.
And why are they going to want to subscribe to you if you're not making videos anymore?
Maybe one day I will. 88 views, 12. See, it's 2 years ago. Last time I made a video.
Make a new one.
See, you make video game reviews and stuff about different random video games.
Oh, that's a different one that I'm subscribed to.
Yeah, I don't have my old one.
The one I'm subscribed to is the one that you and your sister made.
That's still no. I need
Videos
that.
of sitting outside smoking in the cold.
Yeah, smoke reviews. People love videos like that for some reason. Alright, here it is. Cool Dragon 3. See? Oh, I gained 100 new subscribers. 317. See? 1,000 views, 1.1, 1,000, 1.3, 900, 500, 2,000. This one I stopped like making like only like once every few months. That's why. But when I was active, I got 2,000 views.
Yeah,
5,000.
like a million.
Look, 5.8 thousand views.
What?
That's 7 years ago.
You can get paid for that if you get enough views.
Yeah. If I could get my channel back, I probably would have been able to. Look, 300 subscribers. If you guys are subscribed to this channel, go subscribe to my new channel. They're not. See, there's Beth. Wait. Oh, she made this video. Why is it on my... There's Beth. She's like, she has 50 subscribers now. Oh, she was on the phone with me and she made a video. You guys wanna watch a video review? I'm just kidding. I forgot when she did this.
What's up, Sonny? Say hey.
But she don't make videos either anymore.
His name's Cool Dragon 3.
She's about to have her third baby.
You want to see his side of the conversation.
I can do cool smoke tricks. I can do a
Our
tornado.
first granddaughter.
Sonny?
He hasn't given us no grandkids
Yeah,
yet.
yeah, because you guys have enough. That's her.
I lost you.
Her in her prime.
Thought I lost you there. I lost
7 years ago. Before she even had a child in this world. Look, there's another video of this. In your back.
She did have a child 7 years ago.
It's in your. That's before she got.
He's 8. Look how young you were.
I know I remember we were talking about how the lighting made it super pale. Because your back room. Look.
That was at my house.
Yeah, I know it's. Oh, let's see. Look at my oldest video. That's it. All my other videos got deleted. Must have. Let's go to this one.
Hey guys, back with another video.
7 years ago.
Cigarette this time.
See, I had some good support.
Good. Marlboro Stepper cut. Actually, really good.
If he would have stuck with it, y'all, he could have been rich right now.
This is my last one, so
I probably have at least a couple thousand subscribers by now.
is that going from?
This
You're on
was-
your way and you quit making
My
them.
last video was 5 years ago on this one.
Look how young you were. Show them.
I wasn't, Mom, I looked at
Look.
But yeah, so
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
wanna watch me and us and current and past time? There we go. Got all the content you can in one video.
Good big news, guys, but I can't share it. I'm just kidding.
it's getting late. What time is it?
This when I first got the grandma's. It's 5:50.
She's like, what do I do? How do I do this? I'm like, alright, not dressed. He says, oh my god.
I forgot what I was even talking
He has
about.
spare bars and whatever we they're not on until we're close over. So like bus ride there on our way to next town over.
I can't make eating
Oh.
videos, you know why?
That's about my video. My
You're supposed to say why.
why?
Because I eat too slow.
Yeah, no, you'll be like a 3-hour video.
So how you guys been doing? I watched my sister's video earlier and she took my advice because when she started making videos she's like, what do I do? How do I do this? I'm like, alright, not this. And I look back.
Yep, I gave her some YouTube advice how to build a channel. I'm good at building a support into a channel. Like I had everybody commenting on every video. You gotta get interaction with your fans. Alright, we expect this video to get 100,000 views, 50,000 likes, and at least 100 comments. If you want to make another video. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I will start making YouTube videos again.
Only 1,000?
Yeah, because I doubt you're going to get 1,000 likes.
Well, don't doubt me. Don't doubt my family.
Alright.
We get 1,000.
You get 1,000 likes, we'll give you a car. She will.
No, I won't. Don't listen to him. He's crazy.
A Tesla 2020 car model.
Yeah, right.
Just mail 20 and he will give you a Tesla. I was going to say his full name, but I don't want to. I forget it's on the internet.
You better not. He'll kick your butt.
Tony. There, it's censored.
So good.
If anybody plays Fortnite, you can add me. We'll play. Or Dauntless. I won't give you my friend code in a public video, but you email her.
21 minutes then.
And she took 5 bites in the 20 minutes.
I ate more than 5 bites. All good stuff's on the bottom.
Today our sponsor is Wendy's. Your breakfast could have been free, but we're not eating breakfast. So.
He's lying. We don't have no sponsors yet.
Wendy's.
We paid for this.
Wendy's are automatically our sponsor unless you comment on this video and share it on national television. Otherwise, you're our sponsor. I'm just kidding.
Don't listen to him.
And we'd like to thank Gatorade and Nike for your sponsor. I'm just kidding. And the Miami Dolphins, official sponsor.
Well, you better hush. You gotta be real careful what you say on YouTube now.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just eating the cheese out of it now. Alright, y'all. 22 minutes.
Alright, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and like the video if you enjoyed what you've seen today.
Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
And go subscribe to my channel. You can just find me. Just type in Dark Capsule. The link to my channel will be in the description, maybe. Now make some good videos.
We're gonna go. We're still gonna go.
Yeah.
To the dollar store and get some serving trays for the party Saturday. And I gotta take him home, which he could really just walk from here.
It's cold.
It's not cold.
Yeah, it is. It's freezing.
You're lazy.
It's like 20 degrees outside.
He's lying. No, it's not. So, comment. Wait, what is that? Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. We get 1,000 likes. We'll make another video together of eating.
Or anything. Hunting people down for sport. Anything you guys want to see.
Don't listen to him, y'all. He's crazy. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. God bless you.